Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new mascara that's just been released a few months ago, and this is by Tarte and it's the Tartlette Tubing Mascara. Now I haven't seen any specific reviews on this mascara. I have seen a couple of people that have tried it out and they've said that they really do like it. I have seen some reviews on the Tarte website where you either like it or you don't like it, but to be honest, from the promos that they have, it looks like it's going to be a great mascara. Now I have absolutely no idea what a tubing mascara is. I haven't really done a lot of research on it. I'm just assuming that it's going to be absolutely amazing. So it does say micro tubes wrap and lengthen each lash for an extreme falsie effect, won't flake, smudge or clump. So that is a lot that it says on here. Now this does retail for £23 or $24, and I did purchase it when they had one of their sales on, and I think it cost me about £10 in the end. So I feel like £10 for a mascara is very, very good. For it to be £23, it's going to have to blow me away and be better than the Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara, which is my favourite. You can buy the full size, which is 8ml, or the travel size, which is 4ml, and the travel size is £14. So it is quite up there if you want to try it out, but I probably recommend, if you're not too sure on what the mascara is like, trying it out first with a travel size one. That's what I tend to do, and I tend to see if I actually like things. If you have seen my previous mascara video on the Chanel mascara, that one, I wish that I'd seen reviews before I purchased it because it was so bad, and then I ended up getting a reaction to it. So hopefully this mascara is going to be way better than that one. So on the website it says our first ever tubing mascara with micro tubing technology is like a cashmere wrap for your lashes. It wraps each lash in lengthening tubes instead of weighing down with laser pigment. 24-hour flake free, smudge proof and sweat proof for life proof lashes that last all day. Clinically proven to length, volume and curl. 360-degree lash extension comb with 296 bristles, separates and lifts for fanned out definition. It also has shea butter, castor oil, lifting plant waxes to help lashes reach full growth potential. Easy removal as well. And it says that you just need to use 2 coats of it and you get lash extensions in a bottle. It's also safe for contact lens wearers and dermatologists tested as well. So this seems like it's going to be a very, very good mascara. There's a lot of claims. The fact that it says it's flake free and smudge proof. I've had mascaras that have said that they're smudge proof before and then they smudge all the way up on my eyelids. So hopefully this one's going to be good, and hopefully it's not going to go everywhere on my eyes. It does have shea butter, castor oil and carnauba wax, which I'm probably saying completely wrong. So anyway, we're going to zoom in, we're going to test out this mascara and see how it goes. So we're zoomed in and ready to test out the mascara, and this looks so beautiful. I love this tube, and you know, you can't really look at a mascara and go, oh, the tube's beautiful, but this, it looks so nice and so sleek. It feels very heavy as well. I'm very intrigued with the wand because it's supposed to be something very different, very revolutionary, that's meant to get to every single lash. And it looks a lot like the Man-Eater mascara. It doesn't really look much different to any other mascara one that I've tried. So hopefully it's going to get to every lash and hopefully it's going to be really good. So I usually do 3 coats of mascaras, but this one says that you need 2 coats and you get lengthened and false lash effect lashes. So I'm just going to do 2 coats today and we'll see how it goes. Now I haven't curled my eyelashes. It's what I do with all of my first impressions because I really want to see if the mascara does what it says it's going to do. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do 1 coat on this eye and then come back and see what it looks like. So this is 1 coat of the mascara and my eyelashes look so long. Now it does say that when you do this you need to do like a rolling motion just to try and lengthen the lashes, and that rolling motion definitely worked. Like, my lashes are super, super long, especially compared to the other side. As you can see, there's a massive difference. It does say to do 2 coats, but it does say to do your 2nd coat before the 1st coat dries. So I'm going to go in and do a 2nd coat and we'll see what it looks like. I've done the 2 coats and my eyelashes look stunning. They look so long and so thick. They look separated. I can't see that they're really stuck together. Now it's sticking together a little bit right here, but you know what, it looks absolutely beautiful and I am so happy with the way that it looks. So I'm going to try and do my lower lashes and see how that goes. Now it is quite a small wand, so hopefully it's not going to go underneath. So that's what my lashes look like, and they look so beautiful. I am shocked at how well this mascara is done. I just assumed that it wouldn't really do anything because I have had some bad times with some mascaras recently, and they've said that they're going to do things and they don't do them. So I'm pleasantly surprised. My eyelashes look absolutely beautiful, and it got to every single lash. My lower lashes were so easy to do. Doesn't look clumpy. It just looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead, do the other eye, then come back and I'll give you my final review and let you know what I think about the mascara. Just finished off my mascara, and this is what it looks like, and I feel like I have a brand new favourite mascara, and it's been a very long time since I had a new favourite mascara. The last one was the Rare Beauty one, but this is so good. I did 2 coats and this looks amazing. My lashes look so thick, full, long. I'm blown away. I love it. I feel like they look so good, and it actually looks like I'm wearing false lashes. Like, this to me is the perfect mascara look, and I am blown away from it. I feel like it is so good, and I'm so happy that I got this for £10 as well. I feel like I will need to see how it goes throughout the entire day to see if I feel like it is worth the £23 or the $24, and let you know if you should go ahead and buy it. But so far, for the £10, I say go ahead and get it. This is an amazing mascara. I feel like it is probably better than my Maybelline Lash Shift mascara, but we will have to see how it goes for the rest of the day, see if it does flake or if it smudges, because like I said, a lot of mascara say they don't flake or smudge, and then they end up doing that. I do have a little bit of mascara on my lid here because that was my own fault. I don't know, I just went on there and I don't really know how. But something that I would say is that the wand is very heavy. So I noticed that when I was doing my lashes, it feels quite heavy on the hand. So just bear that in mind. I mean, it's not super heavy, but you can feel that there is a bit of a weight to it. Now, I feel like that is a good thing as well, because you know that, you know, they've done really well with the packaging, and I feel like that it is a little bit more secure with it being thicker and heavier as well. But I like everything about this. I like the wand, I like the formula, I like the way that it goes on my lashes. My lashes haven't stuck together, they don't look like spider legs, and I love everything. The packaging is absolutely beautiful as well. But like I said, I'm blown away from this mascara, and I feel like it is a brand new favourite of mine. But obviously I will have to see how it goes throughout the entire day. I'll let you know if it smudges, if it budges, if it flakes, if my lashes go down. At the moment they are super curled, and I didn't even curl my lashes, so I am blown away with the way that it looks. But so far I feel like that it definitely is worth the £10 if you get it on offer. Or you could go ahead and get the travel size, get the trial one, see if you like it, because it's only £14. Now, that is pretty expensive for a mascara, but if you're just trying it out to see if this mascara is worth it, then I say go ahead and get it. But again, I will let you know if it is worth the £23. So far, with my first impression, I feel like it is worth the £23. But again, we will see if it smudges during the day and if I still do like it. So this is my first impression of the Tarte Tartelette Tubing Mascara. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out this mascara, and if you like it, if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. And make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!